If you do not want to show your face on YouTube, there are still many ways you can create content and build a following. Here are some options to consider. Use screen recording. You can record your computer screen while you demonstrate a tutorial or explain a concept. This is a great option if you're teaching software or want to share information without being on camera. Use voiceover. If you want to narrate a video or provide commentary, you can record your voice without showing your face. This is a popular option for many YouTube creators. Use animations or graphics. If you're creating educational or informative content, you can use animations or graphics to convey your message instead of showing your face. Use a mascot or avatar. You can create a mascot or avatar to represent you on your channel. This can be a fun and creative way to engage with your audience. Remember, the most important thing is to create content that you're passionate about and that resonates with your audience. Don't let the fear of showing your face hold you back from sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world. For more informative videos, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.